Hey everyone, I'm Andrew, and welcome to Tech Check. Today, I'll be unboxing ESR's Wireless Charger. I picked this wireless charger up off Amazon recently for a few reasons. It states in its information on the page that this here has faster charging than standard wireless chargers with 7.5 watts fast charge capability, which should charge your phone about a half hour faster than standard wireless chargers. Also, some wireless chargers I've read reviews on, as this is the first one I've ever had, can get quite warm, and this is said to have a nice, safe, stay cool design and stable charging. It's an advanced built-in cooling system plus metal frame to help better dissipate heat. I guess we're going to have to check that out and see if it really works. Not that I have anything to compare it to, but if it doesn't get warm, I guess it is working. The last point that really tipped me over to buy this one was the lifetime warranty. ESR guarantees 100% satisfaction with this product, and if you're not satisfied, they will gladly give you a refund or a replacement if you're not fully satisfied, of course. So, that's why I chose the ESR Wireless Charger off Amazon. It's a bit more expensive, but with these few extra features, I feel like it might be worth that couple extra dollars. So let's open it up and check it out. Find out for ourselves. Now before we open it up, let's quickly go over the box here. On the front, of course, you got your branding, your ESR Wireless Charger, what it is. Couple quick bullet points about the product. You got fast wireless charging, ultra slim, and intelligent device recognition. On the top and bottom, you have these little seals here that are ESR original and authentic, letting you know that, well, hopefully nobody's tampered or opened your product, and it's come right from ESR. Looking quickly at the back, you have again their logo at the top, what it is in English and multiple other languages. Then you have their website. We hope you enjoy our products. If you need assistance, contact this website. You have their address, everything in multiple languages, manufacturer address. Same thing I'm guessing in another language here, Chinese probably, since it's designed in China. Then down here you have your quality control and recyclable logos. Amazon sticker, and yes, a little bit of damage. I'm not sure who caused it, but it was either the warehouse or Canada Post or whoever had this before it got to my hands, obviously. But I don't think that's too bad for damage-wise, so the product should be fine. But now that we've gone over the box, let's cut the seals and open it up. So now to open it up, I'm just going to flip it over. I'm going to open it up on the side that already has a little bit of damage, just in case I damage it some more. No sense having damage on both sides. Got my trusty multi-tool with the knife out on it. Just going to slice this little seal right here and get into the box. Oh, that was fairly simple. Oh, there we go. Let's just fold that down. Looks like it's upside down, so let's just pull this out for you right on camera. See if we can't get that. Oh, and there you go. It's your ESR. Well, that's your ESR Wireless Charge User Manual. Underneath that, you have some Chinese information that I won't be using. Got a question. We like those, so if you have any questions, well, that's good, I guess. And here we have it. The actual ESR Wireless Charging Unit. Comes with this little USB-A to USB Type-C. So this is USB Type-C. Nice. Some people were saying that it's actually micro USB, but it's not. Thank you. So that's great. An extra USB-C cable, can always use that. Because I will be needing a longer one for where I want to put this. There you have it. This is actually very heavy, a lot heavier than I expected. I don't know if you can hear that. It is metal, like they said. Let me just see if I can't ting it. See, it's metal. That's great. You got the ESR logo in the middle, some little grippy rubber pads for when you put your phone down or something on it, I guess. Whole edge here is nice metal. It doesn't seem to be picking. Oh yeah, it's got very slightly fingerprints. On the back here, you have what it is, of course. Let's see if I can't just get, come on, there we go. So you have the ESR Total Wireless Charger, or Tidal Wireless Charger, sorry. You got the model number, you got the input and output, and power specs, as well as your quality control logo, made in China, and another little serial number down there, some Chinese text. All right, little grippy pad so that it will stay where you place it on your desk. Not that it matters here, because this rubber mat, just anything stays where you put it on this. But I really like this. Let's get rid of that packaging. I really like this. This is a lot heavier, and it feels quality. I'm gonna have to set this up, and we're gonna test it out. But that's everything that comes in the box for the ESR Wireless Charger. Now the best spot for me to put this ESR Wireless Charger just happened to be on my computer desk, so that's where I put it. I've routed this nice rubber texturized cable here, it's USB-C power cable, under the desk and behind my computer to a 6-port Aki desktop charger. And I really love that Aki desktop charger, so if you haven't seen it yet, be sure to check out the video I posted of that. It's a great charger. If you're looking for one, you should really get one. Anyways, enough about that. Let's check out this wireless charger and see if it works. So, as I said, it's plugged in behind the computer. As I've read, I just got to place it on, and it should start charging. So, I've got my Galaxy S9 here with a case, just for that extra little bit to show you if it can charge through a case. So, screen's gone off. Let's put it on, see if it actually charges. And there you go, right away, recognized. I centered the phone over the device, and it instantly recognized it and started charging. You got this nice indicator light letting you know that the connection has been made. It's charging, as well as the indicator light on my phone. So that's great. As I said before, it's my first ever wireless charger, so still kind of like magic to me how this is charging my device with no connection. Let's see if I pull this up. Oh, how far can I get? Oh, charging paused. Okay, because I moved it off. Oh, it's back on. So, I don't know. I got it kind of a centimeter up. Let's try that again. How far up? It's about a centimeter, and it's still charging in the center, as you can see by the green light. Oh, finally, the red light went off, so it's not charging anymore. Let's try to place it back down. Instantly picks it back up. So, I got that a good 2-3 centimeters above, and it still had a signal. I'm not saying it was going to charge super fast that way, but it's still connected, which I'm fairly surprised about. Well, that was my unboxing of ESR's wireless charger. If you like this product and want to learn more, possibly picking one up for yourself, be sure to check the links I've posted in the description below where you can do just that. Also, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.